Hi everyone.
In this video, we're going to be answering 30 general knowledge questions.
And the person who gets the most right wins.
The 30 questions will be split up into 5 categories: logos, films, geography, games, and finally science. Let's start off with logos. Guess this first car logo. Are you ready? Let's say our answers at the same time. 3, 2, 1, Volkswagen. And that is right. So we both get 1 point. Here's the second question. Guess this restaurant logo. Okay. 3, 2, 1, Wendy's. And Wendy's is the right answer. So we both get another point.
Guess this car logo.
3, 2, 1. I got Reddit. What did you get?
I don't know.
And the right answer is Pinterest. So we both don't get a point.
Guess this car logo.
Three, two, one.
I got Reynolds.
And that is the right answer. So we both get another point. We're both at 3 points. Let's see who wins. Guess this restaurant logo. Go. I got Pizza
KFC.
Hut. Pizza Hut is the right answer and KFC is the wrong answer. So I get a point.
Guess this logo.
Three, two, one.
I got Switch.
We are both right. I am on 5 points and he is on 4 points.
The next category is films.
Guess this character from the famous film. I got Captain Jack
Sparks.
Sparrow. I got Captain Jack Sparrow and he got...
Captain Spark.
And the right answer is Captain Jack Sparrow. So I get 1 more point. Guess this movie. Three, two, one. I got...
Harry Potter Philosopher's Stone.
And I got Avengers Endgame. The right answer is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. So he gets the point. Now, guess the movie from the scene. Three, two, one. I got Avengers Endgame. So we both got the right answer, so we both get the point.
Guess this film character.
Three, two, one. I got Peter Parker. And that is the right answer, so we both get the point. Guess the movie again. Three, two, one. I got
Star Wars.
I got Star Wars The Last Jedi. We are both right, but the real movie is Star Wars The Force Awakens, so we both don't get the point. Guess the movie from the scene, and you also have to get the movie's number right. Three, two, one. I got Toy Story 3. Toy Story 4 is the right answer, so now we are tied in points. The next topic is geography.
And guess this flag.
Three, two, one. I got Greece. And Greece is the right answer, so we both get a point. Now, guess the capital of this country. Three, two, one. I got Paris. And Paris is the right answer again, so we both get a point. Now, guess the monument. 3, 2, 1. I got the Eiffel Tower. And the Eiffel Tower is the right answer, so you both get a point. Guess this flag. Three, two, one. I got Wales.
China.
I got Wales and he got China. The right answer is Wales, so I get the point. Now, guess the capital of this country. Three, two, one. I got Shanghai.
And I got Tokyo.
The right answer is Beijing, so we both don't get a point. Guess this tourist destination. Three, two, one. I got ancient Rome. What did you get?
I don't know.
So the right answer is the Machu Picchu. The next topic is games.
Guess the game.
3, 2, 1. I got Candy Crush. What did
I
you
got
get?
Candy Crush.
So we both get the point. Guess the game character. 3, 2, 1. I got Steve.
I got Steve.
And Steve is the right answer. Guess the company behind this game. 3, 2, 1. Epic Games.
Epic Games.
So we both got it right again. Number 6. Guess this game logo. 3, 2, 1. I got Geometry Dash.
I got Geometry Dash.
So we both got it right. He is on 14 and I am on 16, so I am winning so far. Guess this game character. 3, 2, 1. I got the yellow rainbow friend from Roblox. What did you get?
I got Pikachu.
Pikachu is the right answer, so he gets another point. Now I'm one ahead of him. Guess the company behind this game. 3, 2, 1. I got Mojang Studios. What did you get?
I got Mojang Studios.
We both got it right, so we both get another point. And the winner in this general knowledge quiz is me. I won by 1 point.
What's your score? Comment down below.
And thanks for watching this video. See you again in the next video. Bye!